Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, back to another video. We keep digging into the archives a little bit here, back to 2012 when we did a V8 Volante for a client. We've not seen the client since 2012, although we did see the car last year at the Wormsley Estate auction for Bonhams. But we haven't seen the client, but through a car that we have in at the moment, they're mutual friends. And so he came in, asked a few questions about the car. Did we have any photos from when we did it in 2012? So we put together a short video just to cover what we did on the car. It was already bare metal when we got it, so it was just regapping, levelling and paint. Apart from that, we didn't really have anything more to do with it. Enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, share and follow, and show your appreciation for the channel. Thanks very much guys.